How to edit layers in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the layers. First of all, open the application. Now here in your home page, here on the bottom you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now we can select the image that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now I'm being loaded to this editing interface. So simply again insert another picture. Now here, as you can see, there are two different layers available. So here I'm selecting this image now. So slowly scroll down, and here at the last option you can see front and back. So you can keep this layer or the object into back or front by simply tapping on these two buttons. So this is a process where you can edit the photos and manually keep it wherever you want. At last, simply tap on done and you'll be okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.